In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate QuickBooks Online with HubSpot to create a seamless connection between your accounting and CRM systems. This integration helps you sync customer data, invoices, and payments automatically, saving time and reducing errors. First, make sure you're logged into both your QuickBooks Online and HubSpot accounts. It's important to use the accounts you actually want to connect, so you don't accidentally mix personal and business data. Next, in HubSpot, go to your dashboard and look for Settings in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Integrations or Connected Apps, depending on your HubSpot version. In the Integrations section, search for QuickBooks Online. Click on it, and you'll see the option to Connect App. This will redirect you to QuickBooks Online for authorization. Here, log into your QuickBooks account and allow HubSpot the necessary permissions. These permissions let HubSpot read your customer data, invoices, and payments so it can keep everything in sync. Once authorized, you'll return to HubSpot, where you can configure the integration settings. Choose which data you want to sync: customers, invoices, payments, or all of them. You can also set up automatic syncing so updates in QuickBooks are reflected in HubSpot in real time. After configuring everything, save your settings and test the integration by creating a test invoice or customer record in QuickBooks. You should see it appear in HubSpot automatically. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated QuickBooks Online with HubSpot, making it easier to manage your finances and customer relationships in one place. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow.